I have used dash DAC gauge charts in this application to display temperature and humidity value. As this application is connected to the Arduino sensors, and when sensors generate data and insert in the database, then at the same time this application is updated. So these two gauge charts are looks like a speedometer. So usually this type of gauge charts are used to display speed. I just have used here for demo purpose. In the Dash app enterprise gallery, if we type here DAC, so we can see here there are 5 applications related to Dash DAC. So if we open this, so we can see here satellite dashboard is built with using the Dash DAC components. So data is updated in real time. So if we have to show data in second and less than second, that is millisecond, so we can use Dash DAC components. We can easily integrate DAC components in Dash app. I am generating data from sensors after each 10 seconds. If I generate in each second or less than second, that is millisecond, then we can use these Dash DAC gauge charts.